Hello, friends. Kim of Heartwise Healing Paths here with some Reiki meditation, Reiki energy, thoughts and prayers of peace for the world, for our communities, for our loved ones, for our families, for our jobs. So tonight, I just invite you to settle down into a chair or lie down. And the focus is on peace tonight. The International Center for Reiki Training hosts either the second or third Wednesday of the month. It kind of goes with the new moon or the full moon, depending on the month, a peace grid meditation. And I'll show you my peace grid. It's actually a crystal peace grid. And it has signs and symbols from all the world's major religions on it. And it says, may the followers of all the world's religions work together to create peace and unity for the highest good of all. Isn't that beautiful? And so with this meditation tonight, we're sending peace into this Reiki Healing Grid. That is its specific purpose. So in the comments below, if you yourself or a pet or a situation that you would like healing for, you can leave me your name in a brief message and I will write you on my list. Tonight we're focusing on peace. Letting peace begin with me. So let's just focus on our breathing. And if you want to keep your eyes open or closed, that's perfectly fine. Breathing in love. Breathing out doubt and fear. Breathing in peace. My mind is clear. Breathing in this moment. I arrive fully here. And if you want to put your hands on your body somewhere comfortable, go right ahead. My hands are going to stay up for now, just beaming and sending the love and the joy and the beauty of Reiki. Reiki empowers. Reiki ignites. Cultivates kindness, compassion, wisdom. Let there be peace on earth and let it begin with me. Imagine beautiful light, whether it's a rainbow, a moonbeam, a sunbeam, light through the clouds, shining down upon you. And as you're breathing in this beautiful light of love. Love that is at our core, your core. The essence of who you truly are. And this love fills everything and all the space around you. Just take that in for a moment. You are perfect, whole, complete, and divine. And this light is awakening that knowledge. And the light of the divine mind comes in, your intellect, your intuition, inner guidance. And so much more. Allowing that knowledge, that wisdom to circulate through your body. And breathing in again. You breathe in the light, the divine heart, the soul of the universe. Maybe even you breathe this into your heart or put your hands, your left hand and then your right hand over the top. Breathing this beautiful light and allowing your heart light to shine front and back, up and down, side to side, and all around, shining a path. Let there be peace and let it begin with me. Coming back to the core of who we are, love and light, love and light. Reiki helps. Reiki is gentle. Reiki is stable. Now taking a breath in. You breathe in the divine heart of the earth, the mother, Gaia, Terra, the great turtle. Because we come from the earth, we come from the stars. And this light rises up from the soles of our feet, shooting out the top of our head, up into the universe, reaching into the galaxies full of shining stars. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. Wish upon the first star I see tonight. That's you. You are a star. You are the earth. And breathing in the beautiful light of the universe. We've all seen pictures from the Hubble telescope of what the universe looks like. Just imagine that beautiful universal light coming down from the heavens into the top of your head, circulating on the right side of your body and then on the left side of your body, connecting your body. And if you have any guides, kind guides, benevolent ones, invite them into this time. You can see that I'm in a forest. The forest is my home. Imagine a tree from your travels, your childhood, a picture, a painting that you feel very connected to. There's one right down my block, about 3 houses down, 300-foot cedar tree, red cedar. So imagine that tree. Imagine yourself walking up to that tree and sitting at its base with your back leaning against. And you look up and you can see within the branches that tree life, birds, insects, bugs, flowers, berries, apples, nuts. Trees provide sustenance, shelter, a home. And breathing in, coming back to your one self, your one true self, at the core of your being. Thank you. And say thank you to you for taking this time to make a difference. The peace that we create, we can send to others through thoughts, prayers, or even just sending the peace that we feel right now. We can send that to a friend or a neighbor or a coworker or a place. Anytime, anywhere. You can find peace and joy. So anytime you feel joy, peace will follow or lead. And when you are ready, you can come back. And Mother Teresa said, that if you don't have peace, you've forgotten that we are all connected. So this is a remembering that we are all one. That we are love and we are light at our core. You would just like to stay in this place. I'm going to exit quickly and gently. I would just like to say, Namaste. I honor the spirit in you, which is also the spirit in me. Blessed be. Amen. So it is. Bye for now.